Hello. This video will introduce devices and their functionality. A device represents the endpoint that can send or receive calls. It is called call origination and call termination. As an example, a device can represent VoIP phone, VoIP softphone, PSTN phone, normal phone, mobile phone, fax, PBX, Softswitch, session border controller, and so on. All these real-world devices are grouped and represented in the MOR system in the following way. The device is meant to represent SIP, IX2, H323, or PSTN devices. Virtual device does not represent a real device, but is used for various dial plan configurations, usually with a DID forwarding. The fax device represents a virtual fax device to receive faxes to the email address as an attachment. A trunk device is used to connect to another server, PBX, or SBC. Each user can have unlimited devices. That means that one person or company representing a user manages several devices which can make or receive calls. Devices in the MOR system have many functions related to them. Call flow allows configuring the logic of the call in various situations. DID numbers can be forwarded to the device. Devices can have different caller ID and rules for their control. Number manipulation can be applied to the dial destination. Calls to and from the devices can be recorded to the audio file. Devices can have voicemail. Calls to the devices can be made using a broad range of codecs, and many more. Devices support various types of authentication, such as dynamic authentication by username and password, static authentication by IP address and port, authentication by technical prefix, authentication by caller ID, authentication by PIN number, and various combinations of methods above. Thank you for your interest.